Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this video, we'll take a look at XpressStore AI. Now, essentially guys, this is a brand new cloud-based software that uses artificial intelligence that will let you guys create an automated AliExpress affiliate store or affiliate website. Now, let me show you guys the website that I created using the software right here. So this is the website that I created using the software. Now, the best part about this, guys, is that you don't need to worry about the technical aspects of creating, designing your website. You don't need to worry about hosting. You don't need to worry about domain. Everything is done for you guys. All you have to do is to connect your account, connect your AliExpress affiliate account into this platform, and your website will be automatically created. You don't need to worry about manually importing products. You don't need to worry about manually updating and keep adding more and more products, because this is all automated. You don't need to worry about maintenance. You don't need to worry about everything, right? So basically you'll be partnering with AliExpress and get paid over and over again. All right, so before, I'm gonna walk you through in the back end. So this is the back end of the software right here, and this is the members area of the software right here. Right now, before I'm gonna walk you through here what you can expect if you guys get into XpressStore AI, let me show you first my bonuses. So if you guys decide to pick up XpressStore AI through the link down in the description of this video, you also get access to all of my custom-made bonuses right here. So when you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will take you to my bonus page right here. So this is my bonus page for XpressStore AI. My bonus one is this 3-in-1 email marketing software, because inside of the back end right here, you can build an email list, you can collect an email list, right? So this software can help you send out an email, send out SMS, and automate your entire business. So that is my bonus one. My bonus number two, a Mac app and digital product creator software. It will let you create product cover like this, or this right here, this back shots right here, and you can also create graphics using this software. All right, my next bonus for you guys is this software in a box. Basically, you will get access to 3 software that you can sell as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. This comes with marketing materials like sales pages, landing pages, download pages, and everything is done for you. All you have to do is upload this into your server and start selling this, and start getting or making money with this, and get 100% of the profit. All right, so that is my bonus number 3. Next bonus for you guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your traffic conversions by using my KLT method. This is going to show you how to double or triple the conversions of your traffic, converting the traffic into sales and making more money. Right, so that is my bonus number 4. Next bonus for you guys, I'm going to be showing you a case study on how you can use free traffic method to generate $4,000 in affiliate commissions within just 30 days. All right, this is easy to follow, and you can replicate this to any kind of offer that you want. And the best part, guys, this is set and forget free traffic method. And then you also get access to all vendor bonuses, guys. And I actually talked to the creator, and he allowed me to give away this other bonuses right here. Alright guys, so here are vendor bonuses. Bonus 1 is WP Maximizer. Bonus number 2 is this Image Plus. Bonus number 3 is WP Engage. Next bonus is Easy Launcher. Next one is Live Chat. Next one is WP Simple JO. Next one is Video Attention. Next one is Lead Book Generator. Next one is Upcoming Posts. Next one is Line Cloaker, or Affiliate Link Cloaker rather. Next one is WP Membership. Next one is FB Titan. Next one is Media Room. Next one is Squeeze Page Question. And yeah, and he also allowed me, guys, to give away this 2 other bonuses right here. Alright guys, you also get access to Scrape It. Now with this product, you can create product reviews within just 1 clicks. And then you also get access to Crypto Planet. I think this is gonna let you create a crypto website or crypto affiliate website. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you guys decide to pick up XpressStore AI through the link down in the description of this video. So when you guys click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page that looks something like this. The headline says, with one click, create auto-updating AliExpress affiliate stores powered with OpenAI technology to become a top seller in no time, right? So, and by the way, guys, when you try to exit this page, you can get a discount, and you can get this for, I'm not really sure this is updated, but you know, this says you'll only get this for $9 if you try to exit the page, right? So let me walk you through inside of the members area right here. Alright, guys, so this is the members area of XpressStore AI. So they have the step-by-step training, guys. So this is where you access to the training. So they're gonna show you how you can register your website, how you can import products, and they have this 3 affiliate program or 3 AliExpress affiliate program right here, but you only need to choose one right here. And they have the step-by-step training on how to create your affiliate account inside of AliExpress. And then they also going to show you how you can use AI to write articles, to create images, and to create product reviews right here. And then how to drive traffic, which is the most important thing, right? And then how to send out newsletters or how to broadcast an emails. And then SEO, which is one of the best or the most important things when it comes to getting organic traffic from search engine, right? And then adding a new post or article, and then creating a logo or changing a logo right here, logo creation, and then add domain. How you can, if you wanted to like customize your website and put your own domain and put your own branding, you can also do that. And then these other bonuses right here, right? So that's the members area. All right, so this is the back end of this app right here. Now, just like I said a while ago, guys, you don't need to worry about the technical aspects of creating and designing your website, because once you register your website, and they have that right here, this registration page right here. So when you click on this register button, it will take you this to a registration page where you can register your account, or you can create your account. And once you've done that, this is gonna take you inside, or this is gonna take you in the back end right here where you can customize your website. But all you have to do, guys, is to just follow the instructions indicated in the training modules right here. Just connect your account. So they have the training right here, so you can just basically go right here into the import products right here. You can just go to settings right here and just connect your AliExpress affiliate account right here. Alright, guys, so this is where you connect your AliExpress affiliate account right here. Just like I said a while ago, you have 3 options, but you only need to choose one right here, and they have that training inside here. Alright, and then now what's really cool about this, guys, is that you can use artificial intelligence to help you write an article or write content, help you generate images, and help you write product reviews. But the first thing that you need to do is you need to connect your OpenAI API key right here by clicking on this OpenAI and clicking on the settings right here. So this is where you integrate OpenAI right here, to just copy and paste your API key right here. Now OpenAI is 100% free. You can just click on this link right here, and it will take you to OpenAI to get your API key, and just copy and paste your API key right here. And once you've done that, you can now start using artificial intelligence, guys, to write an article, to write content, to generate images right here. Now let me show you how to do that. So once you've copy and pasted your link or API key right here, you can now start using a software or using that AI to help you write an article, right? So let me click on add new right here. So this is where you do that. Now my website, guys, is all about dresses right here. So you can sell any kind of product. Let's say you wanted to sell dog products or baby products. It's up to you, right? So let's say I'm gonna be writing an article about leather jacket. Alright, I'm gonna be highlighting this text, and then I'm gonna click on AI, and then I can click on help me generate an ideas. Now this software, guys, will do the heavy lifting for you. It will write you ideas about this keyword right here, which is leather jacket. As you can see, it's now give us this ideas right here. And what I can do now is, let's say I like this first result right here. So what I know is, I'm gonna highlight this first result, I'm gonna click on AI again, and then write me a paragraph about this topic or about this idea. I'm gonna click on that one. Now this software will write you an article or topic about that. So as you can see, it's now gave us this paragraph right here. And then what I can do now is I can do the second one, and then I'm gonna click on write me a paragraph about this topic right here, and boom, it will provide you this paragraph right here. And then I can just remove all of this right here, and then I can now publish this one right here, and now you have this article or brand new post or brand new article in your inside of your website, right? And this can help you rank your website on the first page of the search result, because once you have fresh and unique content, Google or search engine will more likely to trust you, right? And then you can use this to generate images right here. You can click on this image generator right here. So let's say you wanted to write an image about jacket. You can change the image size right here. I'm gonna be choosing the bold, and then I'm gonna click on create right here. Now this software, guys, will do the heavy lifting for you. It will generate you images about jacket right here. Alright, so you have this image right here, and then you can now post this or save this image inside of your website, right? Now I'm not gonna show you guys an in-depth tutorial on how to use the software, but basically they have the training inside here. They have the step-by-step training inside here, guys, right? And then so this is where you build an email list right here. So you basically connect your autoresponders, settings right here, design and settings right here. You can click on theme settings to choose a theme. So this is where you customize your the look and feel of your website right here. Basically, guys, you can customize the look and feel of your website if you wanted to customize your website. But overall, once you created your website, so this is my website looks like, and I didn't even need to lift my finger when I create this website. All I have to do is to register my account or register my domain, and your website will be automatically created, right? And you have these products right here. Now these products will be automatically added inside of your store or inside of your website. Alright, guys, so yeah, you can edit the website, you can customize your website right here, right? And then they have this inbuilt traffic right here. So they're going to show you how you can derive traffic into your website, which is the most important thing, because if you don't have traffic, you cannot make money, right? So they have this step-by-step training on how you can drive traffic into your website. So they have that right here, which is this traffic training module right here. Alright, guys, so yeah, and by the way, guys, there are some upsells of this product. You can actually learn those upsells in my bonus page right here. Upsell number 1 is AI traffic. The next upsell is AI club. Next upsell is AI scraper. Next upsell is AI articles. Next upsell is AI scheduler. Next upsell is AI FB and Google Ads. Next upsell is AI YouTube, right? So those are all of the upsells, guys. And again, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your WordPress account if you guys decide to pick up XpressStore AI through the link down in the description of this video. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all of your questions, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.